Let's talk about the #1 hidden cost in laser cleaning and how to eliminate it for good.
If you run a laser cleaner, you know the drill, right? Protective lenses burning out again and again.
And this isn't a small problem. It's over 40% of all unplanned service calls, just for lenses.
We hear this all the time from operators. It's a constant, frustrating headache for them.
So what's the root cause? It's simple. Fume and debris rebound. That stuff contaminates the lens.
And that one little failure creates an avalanche effect, costing thousands in cascading damage.
That $50 lens, well, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real costs are hidden from view.
How hidden? Well, in just 3 years, those costs can actually double the price you paid for the machine.
So what's the fix? At Chihalo, they see this as a design flaw, something to be eliminated, not just managed.
Okay, part 1 of their solution, a fully sealed optical path. Contaminants simply can't get in.
Part 2, a dual-layer air barrier. It's kind of like a shield, using air to physically deflect any debris. And finally, part 3, integrated fume extraction. It literally vacuums up particles right at the source.
This triple protection system extends lens life 3 to 5 times. Plus, you can ditch expensive shielding gas.
And if a lens does need changing, it's a quick 3-minute job, not an hour-long production halt.
It's a tool-free, quick swap module, so anyone can do it. No special training or realignment needed.
Now let's talk about the real payoff. It all starts with factory direct pricing on their consumables.
Okay, check out this cost comparison. A typical system can run you over 11 grand a year in optics costs.
With the Chihalo system, you're saving over $10,000 per machine every single year.
And this isn't just a promise. Their engineering is trusted by the military and European OEM partners.
That kind of reliability is a must-have for tough industries like automotive, shipbuilding, and aerospace.
It all goes back to the founder's core idea. Don't just treat the symptom, solve the root engineering problem. So why keep burning cash on what is basically a preventable design flaw? It's just not necessary.
Want to see what this means for you? Your next step is to talk to an engineer, not a salesperson.
Get in touch for a factory direct quote and see how much you could actually be saving.